Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you a-okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican Cooking Journey. Tons and tons of you when you ride on over here. Special welcome. Thank you so very much for joining the family. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of this journey, and you're still here, manners and respect. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you how to prepare some peanut and green banana porridge. Peanut, green banana porridge. There is a straight peanut porridge that I've prepared already. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Let you go check it out. So I've got my peanut here, and I have already grounded it up inside my food processor. I've got my water over here, and I'm going to bring it to a boil with 3 cinnamon leaves that I have washed. These are organic, and just the mace from 1 nutmeg. So I leave it there to start boiling, and that is to take out the flavor, the hot water to remove the flavors from the cinnamon leaf and the nutmeg mace. If you can't find the cinnamon leaf where you are, all you need to do is use powdered cinnamon. Okay, if you can't find organic cinnamon leaves and the nutmeg mace, you can just use your grounded nutmeg mace, your grounded cinnamon, but you would have to just like blend it together. That's better when blending it together. Now I'm gonna get this flame down a bit. What I'm gonna do now, that is happening over there. The water is gonna come to a boil. Pull out the flavors. How many know when the flavor come out, Debbie, when you start smelling the flavors taking all over your kitchen, moving right into the rest of your house, then you will know. And then also the cinnamon leaves will change color to like a lot of brown. It is like green there, so it will change color to brown. So right here I have this here. This is what I did with my peanut first, because the peanut is so chewy. After that, I'm removing this peanut here to my blender. So it is the grounded peanut. Okay, a few fell under there. Okay, so it is the grounded peanut, and we're gonna remove this grounded peanut to this blender. When we have finished that, we will return. Soon come. So we are back. I've peeled my 2 green bananas, and if yours are smaller, you can probably use 3, and if they're big, you can probably, use a single one, because we're not making like a huge pot of porridge here. So you know how to adjust your amount. Okay, so I'm cutting up these green bananas. Remember, you have got to put the peanut through the thing. Suppose we don't have no food processor. Well, I think the only somebody in this world that will never own a food processor was me, and me finally get one. Okay, right, Kim? Nobody else in the world never not have. Nobody else. There's nobody else in the world without a food processor. I was the last one. But if your one not working and you can't find it, you can use a grinder. Not the grinder that you use for the spices though, but you can easily. Some people blender, you have grinder, anything to grind it. Okay, now that we have got that here, you want to put in a little mixed spice if you want. I do have it, and mixed spice is like some little baking something. But I don't want you put no whole heap in this, because this thing is very bitterish, but it have a nice little taste. Alright? You could, as I said, if I wasn't using the cinnamon leaf and nutmeg mace, you could use grounded mace and grounded cinnamon. So you put it in here right now. I'm going to put in my vanilla from now, because it's all liquid, and you could, while it's cooking, add it. But since I'm going to be blending, I think I'm going to put it in. Now, family, I want you to break a bit and listen to me. You don't put a lot of vanilla and all of these things into porridge. Don't put a lot. These spices are nice, but too much of them tend to give you a bitter taste. So you need to go low. Okay? Even the organic cinnamon leaf and the nutmeg mace, if you use too much, they might go bitter. Okay? We're going to put a little of this little almond essence. Not a lot. Try to go low, kind of porridge. You see what I say? Because this almond can be really strong. you want to put a little pinch of salt. Remember say enough canned pork or canned porridge, you know. The salt is to bring these spices and stuff together for the porridge to have that nice taste. And we're smelling the cinnamon and the mace as we speak. So you put a little chops for now. Okay? Right now, I'm going to be putting in some freshly grated nutmeg. Alright? Not too much nutmeg. We're going to use some milk as the liquid to do the blending. So you're going to put in a little milk and all of that. Whereas you blend and go along, if you want more, you can use a little more. We're going to go now and we're going to put this to blend. Okay? We're going to put this to blend, and it seems I want a little more. Okay, you want to get this to a nice, smooth consistency. We have right on over here. That rigorous boiling and all of that. So we got what we want out of them, and we are going to take them out before we put in like a porridge mixture where we blend up and all of that. Okay? Clear water waiting on us right there. Get your flame up right over here. And in case somebody's wondering what happened here, I did something hot put here and it got burned. Kimmy, could you shoot them up for me, please? Right up. Right up. This is what happened here. So we're going over here now, and you're going to put this on blend first, or depends on the mode of your blender. Then we are going to get it all blended, pureed out to a smooth paste. When we return, you'll see what I have here, and we're going to proceed to go over there. Must soon come. Now we are back. This water is boiling. This is what we got here. Let me show them up. This is how rich and powerful it looks. So you know when you get this, what is going to happen next. Take precaution how you drink this thing. Okay? Back. Yeah. So our water must be boiling rigorously. Whilst you pour this look at this. Look at me here. So as it drops and pops and plops, you stir. Doing that at a slow pace until you get all of it out. Let's go do this and return. Okay, we are back, family. And you want to get your flame down now. Look at me here. Stir and you stir. Can you get up on it? Yeah, this is what will happen when you do it the right way. If you don't do it the right way, it is gonna come runny. I don't want to get into when it comes running, what will happen and what will not happen. Okay? If you're trying to get babies, it's not supposed to be runny. Okay. Look at me here. Look at this one more time. Give me, shoot them up. And you must be stirring real strong, because it will stick and get lumpy. Right? A little low. And we're going to cook this for about, the peanut or something we eat raw. Banana or something we add for cook. Okay? If you should get a little on the runny side, you can use a little flour, just a small amount, in case you don't get the proportion of the peanut to the banana, so you must use more peanut than banana. But this recipe will be posted on a different platform in the future. It will not be in the description. Okay, so we're gonna cook this, constantly stirring it for, and not occasionally, constant, very often, for another, we give 5 minutes to make it cook, spices blend. And when we return, we're gonna use this other milk to bring it to. This is thick and nice, gummy and gluttony, but we want it with a little creaminess. So when we return, we are going to have this to put in. Must soon come. Yeah. We are back. Can we shoot them up? After 5 minutes, constant stirring. Look at me here. This is beautiful. Never serve your husband. Ladies, this is for you. Never serve your husband a watery porridge. Never. Right in, Kimmy. This is our evaporated milk. If you want to do some almond healthy milk, go ahead, do your thing. But if it water it out, don't come running to me. Look at me here. You're going to pour your evaporated milk. We're looking for that creaminess inside of this porridge. So you squeeze. If you don't have this one, you put from the tin. It's the same thing, but we get this one here. And as you put in, you make sure you are stirring, riding and whistling stirring. So you want to scrape around. Remember this scraping around process, getting everything incorporated. Stir, rigorous stirring. Look at me here. Rigorous stirring. So you don't want a lot of cooking again. No, you just want to get this milk staying in there and make sure the porridge stays at this consistency. That's how you want it: smooth, thick, you see it, and also creamy. We're going to leave this for another minute, and we're going to come back to sweeten and serve to you. We've got a slew of porridges coming just for you. We are back. We are going to sweeten our porridge now. I have turned my flame off, and I have shared with you tons and tons of time. Never sweeten your porridge with the flame under it. You will be sweetening until sweetening becomes illegal. Okay, so I've turned it off, and this is how it looks still. So I'm going to go now. I'm going to put this in there. This is about a half a cup of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Use your sugar of choice. So you want to dissolve your sugar real nice and all of that. Look at me here. And you don't want to use the sugar too dark. So you want to dissolve the sugar. And whilst you dissolve the sugar, you also want to taste if you will want a little extra salt. Remember, we put a little salt in there when we were blending. So you want to taste here and now if you want a little salt. The salt now getting a flavor. It will just bring all those nice flavors together. No salt for me. Remember, if you use your spoon and you want to put it in the pot back again, even though after your pot, practice it, rinse it off before you put it back in the pot. Look at me here. This porridge is so ready. And true, Kimmy is a strong body girl. She's behind the camera, looking very gluttonous because she's waiting on this porridge. Look at me here. Look at me here. Look at me here. Now let us plate this porridge for you in your face. Right on over here. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all, to your husband's table. It is this peanut and green banana porridge. Look at me here. Look at me here. It was done specifically for you. Okay? The weather is cold wherever you are. If you've got some flaxseed, some people say them use a crushed one. I use any one. Crushed or whole, I don't have any. You just want to put a little, not a lot of this nutmeg at the top and a little extra, and then you can have it. Please do enjoy. If you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican Cooking Journey, to the Jamaican Cooking Journey Family, to the Jamaican Mukbang, and also to the Jamaican Debbie Deb Strain. When you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. When you hit the notification bell, press the option all. You will never be left out when we upload videos on all those channels. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. We have got a slew of these. Hey, them have some Jamaican porridge, some strong back porridge, Jamaican. Your husband, your Jamaican husband will tell you, don't go serving these little water, workless looking porridge. No. It's a new here. Be you. Do you. Most of all, love you. All the information that you need to get onto us will be in the description of this video. Remember to support us on our little merch. We are just starting. Thank you.